Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a very hard bookmark. First, gather your essential materials: thick cardstock, a ruler, sharp scissors, and a strong adhesive. You might also want decorative elements like laminating sheets or small fabric pieces. Make sure your cardstock is at least 100 lb for maximum durability. This foundation will ensure your bookmark withstands frequent use and lasts a long time, protecting your pages effectively. Now, let's cut and shape your bookmark. Measure your thick cardstock to your preferred dimensions. A common size is 2 inches by 6 inches. Carefully cut along your measured lines using sharp scissors for clean edges. For a professional finish, round the corners with a corner punch or by hand. You can also add a small hole at the top if you plan to attach a decorative tassel or ribbon later. To make your bookmark truly hard and durable, reinforcement is key. Apply a thin, even layer of strong adhesive to both sides of your cut cardstock. Once dry, cover the bookmark with clear laminating sheets or a thin, decorative fabric layer for extra protection. After this step, you can personalize it with markers, stickers, or other embellishments. This process significantly increases its lifespan and resistance to wear and tear. For the final touches, ensure all adhesives and decorative elements are completely dry. This might take several hours, so be patient. Carefully trim any excess laminating material or fabric to create a clean, professional edge around your bookmark. Your very hard bookmark is now ready to use. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your reading experience and daily life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.